Just getting ready, and I noticed on the backside of this pipe, there's a big indentation right there. Can you see that? I'm trying to turn this so you can see it. There. You see that? Is that gonna make any difference? See there? It looks like somebody tagged it with something, and I'll have to see how that lines out after I put it in back in. If that's on the top of the pipe, it's fine. If it's on the bottom, and if I really don't want that there, what could I do? If you were listening really closely, I'd gotten 3 T's. Remember? This was just a scrap. I got 3 couplings, not T's, couplings, sorry. Remember, I was only going to use 2. One there, because when I tile that back together, I've already got that T there, right? So I only needed 2. I had bought that 3rd one because later on down the road, remember I had that longer piece of pipe on the other side that I took out. I'm going to dig this down. But see, this pipe is too short. That's why whoever installed it, instead of doing it right, they thought, we'll just hook it up like that. What they should have done was had a coupling in there somewhere and had it go down deeper and then up almost at a 90-degree angle, and then up, or at a 45-degree angle, and then into that. And they could have swept this over and then up. See where it is over here? Instead of, they cheeseballed it, I call it. They just ran it and said, that's good enough. Okay, so that longer piece that I'm not using on the other side, I'm going to dig this back further. Okay, at least to this pipe, or this concrete edging. They ran this concrete edging all the way around this here. I don't know why they did that, but they did. You can't even see it over there. It's overgrown. Here it is over here. See it? And so eventually, yeah, I'll probably have to work on that a little bit, but I can dig that down right there, cut that piece off, put the coupling in there, run the longer piece on there, let it go in, swirl over, and then up, so that this, all you're going to see is from here to there. That's all you're going to see. And so I got that 3rd coupling for that, but I can use it for here, can't I? If I want. If that is on the bottom of the pipe, I can cut this off right here. Then I can refashion this. I can get the bends out of there with a pair of pliers and kind of bend it back into place. Cut off an inch of it from here to there, or from here to there, however I look at it. You see what I mean? From there to there, probably. No, from here to there. And rebend that, put my 3rd coupling on there, and be done. That's why sometimes when you go to the store, it's always kind of nice to get a few bits and pieces. I thought I'll get an extra coupling just in case I need it, and thank goodness I may need it. And I've got some duct tape in the garage, so at least I can fix this one. I can fix that. But when I pull that out, I'll show you. There's an actual 4-inch. I'm just doing it on the fly here. Okay, this is gonna come off anyways. All right, it's gonna come off. You see? You see there? There's an actual area for 4-inch pipe, and this is a 3-inch pipe. But it's designed to fit in there. Isn't that something? See, it'll fit in there. There should be some ridges on there, and you should be able to push that in. And it goes to, that's for a 3-inch pipe, and then there's another area you would knock this section out for a 4-inch pipe. Isn't that slick? I might be able to, if I can get that one in there wedged and cleaned up and stuff. Do you even need duct tape? Probably not. But I might end up putting duct tape anyways, because I have some, and I'll make it that much better.